tax law impact to freelancers. Pag-usapan po natin yung bago nating tax law, RA 12023, Value Added Tax on Digital Services Law. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at JA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. The main objective of this law is to impose a 12% VAT on foreign digital service providers like Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, YouTube, and Amazon. Two important features of value-added tax. First, VAT is a consumption tax on goods and services. Second, VAT is an indirect tax, meaning si consumer talaga ang nagbabayad ng tax. Responsibility ni foreign digital service providers na mag-collect ng 12% VAT at i-remit kay BIR. Ano ang magiging effect nito sa mga freelancers? Para sa mga freelancer na gumagamit ng 8% income tax rate option, wala pong effect dahil hindi naman kasama ang expenses pag nagko-compute tayo ng 8% income tax. Pero possible po na lumaki ang ating cost of doing business pag gumagamit tayo ng mga services from foreign digital service providers. So isa sa pwede natin gawin, syempre kung tumaas ang cost of doing business natin, ay i-adjust din natin ang ating service pricing. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.